Stick with me, and I'll show you some fun facts that'll make you love bananas even more.
Whoa, look at this! I'm traveling through your stomach and intestines.
This is where all the magic happens. Nutrients from me get absorbed to give you energy and keep you strong. Isn't that amazing?
I am broccoli, and I actively patrol the airways, filtering toxins and keeping your breathing smooth and strong.
Hey, I'm broccoli. I help keep your body strong with fiber and vitamins that support your digestion and immunity.
Thanks for the water. I'm carrot, and I'm great for your eyes and skin, packed with beta-carotene to keep you healthy and glowing.
I am a strawberry, and when I am washed before storage, trapped moisture feeds mold and causes me to spoil fast.
I am an avocado, and refrigeration before ripening disrupts my enzymes and ruins my texture.
I'm watermelon. I bring fresh water to keep you hydrated. I work every day. Hello, I'm zucchini. I help keep you hydrated and support digestion. Eat vegetables every day to stay healthy and happy.